Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have very special shopping episode because we are going to check out the 25th anniversary FENDI Baguette Re-Edition bag because we are going to visit FENDI in Greenbelt. Yes guys, so I have visited the store a couple of weeks back and I'm happy to share what new bags they have in store for us. So if you want to see them in person and see the prices as well, please make sure you watch until the very end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here is looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so let us check out FENDI.
So we are going to check out the 25th anniversary of FENDI Baguette. It's now in stores here at FENDI flagship store. Super excited to be finally seeing them in person. Let us check out first the very beautiful window display. So we have here, so this is a runway piece from the 25th anniversary at New York Fashion Week. So we have some very beautiful FENDI footwear here for men's. Just look at this very beautiful peekaboo here guys. OMG, and this very beautiful exotic leather. Wow, so beautiful. We have here luggage in the FENDI Zuka prints. How gorgeous is this very beautiful FENDI Baguette sequin mini size. So price is 178k. Just look at how it sparkles guys. Wow, so beautiful. I love the color of this one. So this one for 140k is the FENDI Baguette Mini in the Re-Edition from the 25th anniversary. Honestly guys, I am not in love with this one. We have here the classic FENDI Baguette, 178k. Again, super love the black leather and gold hardware combination. We have here from the 25th anniversary of FENDI Baguette, we have 3 baguettes here. 2 on the side with the animal print, and on the middle one is the FENDI sequin edition for 4,600 USD. So this one guys for $320 US. Again from the 25th anniversary of FENDI Baguette. Just look how beautiful the detail is. I feel so lucky because I have my white version of this one. So here's the price again and the product code for anyone interested. Beautiful and festive sequin FENDI Baguette bag for 4,300 USD. So I love this newer version. So it comes with top handle and comes with crossbody strap. FENDI Baguette ICU. So this is, I believe, one of the famous color right now of bag, like acid green color. How beautiful is this? So we have more beautiful FENDI Peekaboo for you. Love that one. So this one in suede leather. What do you think? Love this one in monogram FENDI. So guys, this is the new version of the FENDI By The Way bag. It's like a crossover of By The Way and Sunshine Tote. What do you think guys? Yes or no? Love this winter coat from FENDI. Just look at the camel color. So beautiful. Love the details. So let's check out more Peekaboo. So this one is combination of FENDI Baguette plus Peekaboo. So classic Peekaboos here. Love the color. Love the colorway of these three. What do you think, guys, of this new Peekaboo? Is it a yes or a no? Super cute nano size FENDI Baguette in sequin color. Super love, again, anything sparkly, and I love the giant size FENDI logo. Trying it here as a crossbody. So again, price is $1,190 US. It actually is just like the size of my Louis Vuitton key pouch. What do you think, guys? OMG, this is definitely one of my weakness. If it sparkles, then definitely it's a big yes for me. So let us check out more eye candy. So we have FENDI Baguettes. Later, I'm going to try them. We have FENDI Baguette box version. Over here, we have some totes. We have FENDI Sunshine Tote. Love the color of this one. And then we have more micro or nano FENDI Baguette. This one is 42,000 Philippine pesos. So again, giant size FENDI logo, comparing it to the sequin FENDI Baguette bag. What do you think, guys? How beautiful is this FENDI Sunshine Tote bag? I think it is almost the same size with my petite sack pot, although it's a little bit wider, and I feel it could fit more compared to the one that I currently have. So gorgeous. Super love this metallic gold FENDI Peekaboo. So beautiful. My favorite FENDI coat so far, so it's in black, and just look at this very beautiful detail on the pockets. Wow, so gorgeous. So let's check out more beautiful FENDI eye candy. So we have By the Ways here. We have Nano FENDI Baguette Charms. They have some beautiful FENDI jewelries here. I fell in love with this very beautiful statement FENDI earrings. Wow, so blingy, so gorgeous. This chandelier FENDI earrings definitely on my wish list for 42K. We have here for 112K a FENDI Baguette trunk bag. What do you think, guys? I was surprised at this one because this is one of the moderately priced FENDI baguettes at the store. Love these very beautiful Fendi Sunshine tote bags. More Fendi eye candy. So we have here large Fendi Peekaboo. Ooh, this one, love the grained leather of this, so luxurious. Then we have more Fendi Baguette box version. Some Fendi SLGs for you guys. For 220k, you could own this very beautiful Fendi Baguette bag, very utilitarian. This is from the 25th anniversary that walked the runway at New York Fashion Week. Again, in the very famous acid green color. What do you think, guys? The material is made of nylon. I love it's very utilitarian, many pockets where you could store your stuff. Since it's a classic Fendi Baguette style, it comes with a top handle and a crossbody strap. Trying it as a crossbody strap, so loving again the very beautiful pop of color, very different from the classic Fendi Baguettes. It comes in black for same price, 220k.
There, so did you enjoy our shopping episode at Fendi, guys? So hope you did. And guys, among the pieces, bags, SLGs that I've shown you for today, which one is your favorite? I would love to hear from each and every one of you. Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @PremierFi2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!